everyone and welcome back. With Christmas approaching, I'm finding myself in the kitchen a whole lot more, making treats for my family. So today I'm going to show you how to make a low-carb peanut butter cookie. First of all, preheat your oven to 175 degrees or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then get out 240 grams of unsweetened peanut butter, 120 grams of wholemeal flour, 170 grams of monk fruit sweetener, half a cup of almond milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla bean paste, and 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda. Start by mixing together your peanut butter and your sweetener into a bowl. You can use a Thermomix, a food processor, or you can use a regular bowl with hand beaters. Mix on a low to medium speed for about 15 to 20 seconds or until fully combined. Then add in your almond milk and your vanilla bean paste. Mix for 20 seconds at a medium speed until fully combined. Scrape down the side of the bowl and then add all your remaining ingredients, the wholemeal flour and the bicarb soda. Mix on a medium speed for approximately 20 seconds until everything is fully combined. On a baking tray lined with baking paper, place small spoonfuls of the mixture. You can decide the size yourself. I used just below a tablespoon. This gave me approximately 24 cookies. hands with water and then flatten your cookies down a little bit. Then, using a fork, you can make little indentations. Take care to clean your fork after every few cookies to prevent the dough from sticking. Then, place in the middle of your preheated oven for approximately 15 minutes. Leave your cookies to cool, then enjoy together with your friends and family. I thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a wonderful December.